Guys, so today I'll be doing a Katrina Kaif inspired makeup look. This is a look I saw on her Instagram page. It is very elegant and glamorous, and this look is so easy that anyone can achieve. So let's get started. So I've already cleansed and moisturized my face. For the foundation, I'm using MAC NC30. This is a natural dewy foundation which is perfect for this look. And to buff out my foundation, I'm using Sigma F80 Kabuki brush, and whatever is left, I'm going to use my beauty blender to further buff out the foundation. That way I don't have any brush streaks on my skin. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal, and I'm using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Natural Beige. I'm going to place this under my eye, on my chin, and center of my forehead. And I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend away the concealer. This technique is so quick and easy and the fastest way to blend out your concealer. I know this looks funny, but you always want to look up kind of to the ceiling and blend away the concealer. That way you don't get any creases. And whatever is left, I'm just going to put that on my eyelid to prime for the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to set my under eye using Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder in Translucent, using the same beauty blender that I've used for my foundation and concealer. That way you don't have to use a lot of different brushes, and using a sponge will make sure that your skin don't look cakey. Okay, time for brows. So in this look, Katrina had an arched brows, and obviously I don't, so I'm going to create that. And for this, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color dark brown. This pencil, you guys, is so easy to use, and you can really get any brow shape that you desire. Then to set my brows and make it a bit darker, I'm using MAC eyeshadow in Expresso, and I'm using any angle brush to do so. Okay, I'm back with my eyeshadow palette, and for the eye look, I'm using MAC eyeshadow in Brown Script. It's a reddish brown eyeshadow, and I'm using Morphe M433 brush to do so. I'm going to take this shade on the entire eyelid, keeping it right below the crease. Katrina had a very rounded eye look, and keeping your eyeshadow below the crease will help you achieve the same look. Then going in with MAC 286 with no additional product, I'm just going to blend away the eyeshadow. That way there are no harsh lines. And to blend out my under eye, I'm using the same eyeshadow with Morphe M433 brush, going from outer corner all the way to the inner corner. Now I'm using Huda Beauty eyeshadow in Black Truffle. This is from her Rose Gold palette, and I'm using Morphe M432 brush. What you want to do is you just want to stamp the eyeshadow on the entire upper lash line, and you don't have to be precise because we're going to go in and blend this anyways. So now that you have placed your lash line, using the same brush, you just want to blend it upwards towards your eyelid. And whatever is left, I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm not sure what lashes are these, but I'll make sure to list it down below. So you can still see the lash glue peeking through my lashes, and to cover that, I'm using Inglot Gel Eyeliner in number 77, and I'm just going over my entire lash line. That way there are no white glue you can still see. Then using any cream, foundation, or concealer for my waterline. Since I had no white eyeliner, this is a trick you guys can use. You just want to make sure that it's a cream product. Then moving on with face, finally, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette using the banana shade. I'm going to put this under my eye, top of my forehead, basically where you put the concealer to get the highlighted look without using a shimmery highlighter. Whew, that was a mouthful. And to contour, I'm using the same palette. Now the golden rule to contour is going from top of your ear to the corner of your mouth. She had a very intense contour slash bronzer action going on, and to do so, you want to place mostly the product on the edge of your face, blending it back and forth. And to add a tad bit blush, I'm using MAC blush in Stay Pretty, and I'm going to put that just on the apple of my cheeks. Finally, to finish off the look, I'm using MAC lipstick in Taupe. Whew, what can I say? It's a MAC day. And then I'm going to line my lips using NYX's Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner. It's a mauve lip liner, and it's very similar to Soar from MAC. Okay, now we're all done. I'm quickly going to change, put on my earrings, and try and fix my hair like what she had in the picture, which is very easy. All you want to do is straighten your hair, do the middle part, and just push all the hair in the back. And we're all done. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I got this eyeshadow on my forehead. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. No, not the camera. Come here. No, those are my lashes. We're filming. Gary.
Uh-oh, no! Do you want to be pet? Okay, wait.
Situation. Struggle is real. Wow. Ah!